This is part 2 of the Barbie times Forever 21 collection. Welcome back to my channel, Rowe Beauty. So today we're going to be doing the Forever 21 times Barbie haul, and this is the try on that I've been waiting to do. Can't wait to show you guys all of these beautiful pieces from the collection, so stay tuned. This is not sponsored, these are all purchased by me, so let's get to it, you guys. What are we waiting for? The lashes that I'm wearing are by my brand, Rowe Beauty Cosmetics, on rowebeauty.com, and they come in the pink lash book, and they're called Luxurious. Right there, beautiful. Okay, just want you guys to see what I'm working with. Okay, these are my brand. I'm gonna leave it right here so you guys can see my baby. So today I'm going to be doing the haul, and I can't wait to show you guys all these beautiful pieces since I was unable to put them in part 1. First up, I tried on this black mesh Barbie shirt. It's really cute. I got it in size medium, but I wish I would have got it in large, because it's literally like at my belly button. I just feel like it would look better. I love clothes that are tight and like fitted, so it feels good in my arms, but I would have gotten this in the size up, in a size large instead of a medium. So so next I have this tweed blazer. It's really cute. I wanted to get it with the skirt. If you watched my other video, you would have seen that. Oh, and if you haven't watched my other video, make sure that you watch my first video to see me unboxing all of these items. This is very office attire. I wanted to wear it to work. Like, I would literally wear this mesh shirt with this. So, whoa. It's definitely giving me super Barbie dreams. It's really tight. I like love it. I love how it like hugs all the curves. I think it's cute. Love how everything comes with a Corvette, which I said in the first video. So cute. Little keychain. Yes, I love this. This is Barbie. I feel like the material, it feels really good. I mean, I think I could have got it in a size large and still be happy, but I do love how it feels. Really cute. Pink or less pink. Okay, so yeah, I think this is cool. It's really pretty. I love this dress. Super pretty. First and foremost, I love this fit. It feels so comfortable. The fabric is amazing. A1 fabric. I love how it fits. I think it's supposed to go like over your belly button. Oh my god, it feels so right there. Oh, I love it. Yeah, it feels good. So, I mean, if I'm wearing this all summer, then mind your business, because your girl is going to be looking cute. Regardless, I just love it, though. Like, it's very comfortable. This t-shirt is very comfortable. Yeah, I like the back of it because it says, "Be right back, taking over the world." It's cute. Cute little touch. Feels really good. Got it in size medium. I do believe I kept all the tags on, so I don't know what to tell y'all. See? Yeah, your girl got it in medium and it fits perfectly. So, like an everyday shirt. Yeah. This is a size medium. It's not comfortable at all because of how small it is. I got it in size medium, and yeah, I'm kind of like, oh, I should have sized up on it. Definitely should have got this in size large. Yeah, I just love the idea of collages. Like in my first video, I told you guys that when I was little, I used to make a lot of collages. So I just love the idea of having like a lot of Barbies. Like, look at the details. Super cute. It's mesh, so it's see-through, so you can like pair it with this shirt underneath if you want. But I think it'd be cute, like how I had the tweed blazer on, you know, over the Barbie shirt. I thought that was cute. So if you like, you know, pair it with something like that, or even like a tube top, just so people won't be able to see like your bra. A pink covered tube top underneath would be like super cute too. So yeah. But yeah, this is definitely need to get a large in this baby. This jersey is to die for. Like seriously, I love the fit, how it looks. It looks like a pink dream, literally. So yeah, I love it. And it's size medium. If you guys watched my video before, you know that I said that I wish I would maybe got a, I think I said I wish I would have got a small, but no, I like how it's like oversized. I can't remember what I said, but I do like how it's like oversized, but I could even got a small and it would look cute because it's supposed to be a crop top. So I wear this to like a Cowboys game and be like, nah, I'm team Barbie, but I love the Cowboys, but I love Barbie more. So yeah. I love the fact that this has Corvettes all over it. Super Barbie. It's really wrinkled because I've been having it in my box waiting for this try on haul. But besides that, I'm probably gonna wear this to work soon because I think it's adorable. It looks like really cute. It's cute. Man, I'll be just modeling for the camera, don't I? But yeah, I like this. It's like cool. Super cool. Okay. I love the fit of this. The ties, I love things that like clench me in or like are firm and tight and soft. So this is like really cute to me how it has this on the sides. Detail. Super cute. Feels good. I got a size medium, so I would definitely recommend getting a large if you're my size. I'm 5'3", 140 pounds now. So yeah, I would definitely get a large if you got chi-chis too. So yeah. So ignore the makeup stain that I just got on my shirt, but this is a regular t-shirt I got and it has didn't come to play with the Afro curl. Super cute. This feels like a real life jersey, which I love. Hella breezy. The fitting is cool. Got it in a medium. Oversized. It isn't too tight. Just like a jersey. So, which team you on? I'm on Barbie's. Rowe Barbie. You on Rowe Barbie's team? Are you on Rowe Barbie's team or not? I love it though, right? I may like the black jersey more than the white just because like the black and pink go hard together. Like it's really cool, right? So I think it's cute. Same thing, size medium. I love this because it was just a regular black shirt with the diamonds on it. I would definitely get this a size up. Should have got it in large. This is a size medium. Yeah, really snug. Yeah. I like it. Feels really good. What am I saying? was so excited to wear this, but I can't fit it on. Oh, I'm so sad. So it was the plastic Barbie dress. So I can't fit it because it's too small. I knew I should have gotten a large, but I tried to get a medium. And first I had to put this outfit on for you guys. I wore it as the main outfit in the last video. So yes, in the first video. Love this. I wore it on San Antonio as well. Took some cute pictures in it in Walmart. But yeah, love this outfit. Love the fit and everything else. So these sweats are definitely life. I love them so much. Ooh, very comfortable. Love them. Crop top is like so cute. I think is this a medium? Oh, I got this in a size small. I seen how big it was on the model, so I got a size small. And yeah, it's really good. So it's really comfortable. Love it. Okay, so this outfit is cute, but I don't like the pants. I don't like the biker shorts because of the type of material they're made out of. I don't like how the spandex feel. They feel like I don't know, I just don't like it. I don't like these shorts, but I do like the details of the shirt. Like, I don't know, it feels silky, and then like, for some reason, it just doesn't feel as cute as it looks. Like, I love how it looks, but like on, I don't like it compared to the soft feeling. I guess I'm now seeing like what materials I rather have on. And yeah, this is cute, but the feel right here, the spandex, I don't like. I'd rather have the soft material on. So yeah, the other outfit, the pink one. Super cute. Size medium in both the top and the shorts. So 5'3", 140 pounds. So, and that concludes the Forever 21 times Barbie collection, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Showed you guys the accessories and everything. So I'm not gonna do that. I'll shoot this that in another video that I'm actually like wearing them like in the future on like swimsuits or something. But bye. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. My Instagram is Deville. My Facebook page is Beauty by Rowe, and my new Twitter is Rowe Beauty, and it's for makeup. Basically, it's my cosmetics page. But if you guys are interested in these lashes, don't forget they come in the pink lash book, and they're the luxurious pair. This one right here. So thank you for watching. Make sure you comment what you guys want to see next. Bye, let's go party.